What's the meaning of academia? Academia. 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 Academia is the world of higher education, including colleges and universities. It is a community of scholars who are dedicated to the pursuit of knowledge and the dissemination of learning. Academia is a place where new ideas are born and where the next generation of leaders is educated. It is a vital part of society, and it plays an important role in the advancement of knowledge and culture. Briefly, academia is the world of higher education, where scholars pursue knowledge and educate the next generation of leaders.